This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling CPU virtualization in BIOS or UEFI so the emulator can use hardware acceleration. Once done, make sure Windows is up to date and drivers are current. This prevents driver conflicts. Next, download a verified Android system image and a virtualization tool that supports ARM or x86 images. You do these steps now because they remove the common blockers and let you move straight into creating a virtual device with full performance. You create the virtual machine in your chosen hypervisor, assigning at least 2 cores and 4 GB of RAM to match Android requirements. Once created, attach the downloaded Android ISO and set a virtual disk of 16 GB or more. Enable EFI if required by the image. Then configure networking. Choose NAT for simplicity or bridged to appear on the LAN. You should also enable shared folders or ADB forwarding. Now so apps and files move between windows, you boot the VM and run through the Android installer. Follow on-screen prompts to set up the account and permissions. Once running, install any guest additions or tools the hypervisor provides, and enable ADB over the network so you can deploy APKs from Windows. If you hit problems, first verify virtualization is still enabled in BIOS, then increase RAM or CPU. And if necessary, switch to an x86 Android image compatible with your hypervisor. This single check resolves most boot or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.